Hello everyone, back again. Just want to continue with the sleeve. This will be stage 2 that we're on to, and we've done stage 1 already. These are the 2 pieces that we've done, and I've got the other one on the sheet of paper, but I just want to recap how we arrive at that. First of all, we've got our block, our draft, and we've got all our lines marked on the different parts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 section. We've done 2 section already, and we're now going to do number 3 section and then number 4. So we've got a clean sheet of paper on our table, and just to recap, to show you, this is the style we're doing, and we're now creating the sleeve. So that is that. So we put that on one side, and we're now going to copy off the this section 3. So we place it on the paper, and I've already drawn it off, but I'll just show you what we did. We trace down that line there, we trace across there and across there, and then we put our balance mark in, which is there, and we've put 3 balance mark on that side over there. And then once we've got that, we take the block away, and I've already marked it through here, you can see, and I've allowed the seam allowance. So this is the 3rd section of the sleeve. So now I'm going to go on to the 4th section of the sleeve now with the block again. This is why I say you never should throw away your draft, because everything you get from your draft which you've marked on. So on a clean sheet of paper, I've placed it on, and I'm going to trace off again this section here, and I'm going to mark along the arm, the sleeve armhole, and I've put balance mark in. I'm going to mark across the bottom, and I'm going to come up along the side, and I'm going to connect the line, and also I'm going to put my grain line on, because that's very important. We carry our grain line all through the pattern pieces, because we've got to make sure that they're laid properly on the fabric when we cut out. So I'm going to take that away now. I'm going to put that on one side. I'm going to connect up the lines like this down the side seam and along this section here, down there, and I'm going to connect the grain line, put the grain line on, and then I'm going to allow my seam allowances on the pattern piece. So once again, I want 1 centimeter down this side, so I just draw the centimeter on, and along the bottom, just make sure that line is firm and solid, and along the bottom here, centimeter, and around the side, up the side seam of the sleeve, the side of the sleeve, centimeter, and round the head of the sleeve I'm going to go 1 centimeter around there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure down the distance for this notch balance mark, because I've got to put those in, and I'm going to put another one there, and I've put another one there, so I've got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This first one is where we're going to, from the top, we're going to put the cone. We're going to insert the cone into there, so that's a very important notch. So we make sure we've got the same notches on this back side, the back side of the sleeve. So we measure down, you take your tape measure or your ruler, and you measure down what that is there, and you connect that line in there, and you measure from there to there, what that measurement is there, and you connect it into there, and you do the same onto here. These are just balance mark for when you join the sleeve up. You join the right piece to the right piece. So those notches are in, and then once you've done that, you can write your sleeve. You're going to put sleeve. You put your sleeves on there, and you're going to cut 2 of those, and you can also write back on there so that you know that is the back piece as well.